How do you add a transmitter to your DC Blue Advanced Garage Door Operator for full open and close function? Using a previously set up transmitter, close your garage door. With the door in the closed position, press and hold the up button. Release the up button when the operator beeps and a B shows on the display. Hold the transmitter about an arm's length away. Press and hold the desired transmitter button. While pressing and holding the button, press and release the set button on the dashboard. The operator beeps and displays confirmation. 1 will represent that the transmitter button has been learnt in successfully.